You need help? Or did you get it?
I get it.
That's what I thought. I knew you could do it. You just have to be patient. You gonna help brother with this one?
Yeah.
Yeah? Up. Above. Like a twinkle. How I...
Missing one?
Are you missing one? You're dropping some. Set them down on the ottoman. William, set them down on the ottoman. There you go.
You can't fall.
Alright.
We play.
Which one are you going to do first?
This one.
That one doesn't have a match. Remember, that one just tells you the name. It's called First Place. Which one are you going to do first?
This one.
That one says dog. Where's the dog?
Where's the dog? Right here.
Very good, sis. Alright. What one are you going to do next?
This one.
That one says mitts. Mitts. Where are the mitts?
These are mitts.
Very good. Which one are you going to do next?
This one.
What's that one say? Let me see. That one says lamps. Lamps. Very good. Sister, you going to do one?
Cat.
Sister has cat. Very good. Brother has... Let me see. That one says books.
Okay, sister.
Brother...
For the best one here, you can do this.
Brother has stars. And sister has hats.
Okay.
Or bats.
On the hat.
No. Balls. Sorry. Sister has balls.
Okay, mine goes on the stars.
Yep. Which one are you guys going to do next?
Mine is this one. You can do.
Sister has hats. Hats. Are they on the front, maybe, sister?
No.
Yeah, why don't you fold the folder over and see if you can find the green hats. Can you fold the folder over? Can you help her, brother? Can you fold it closed? There you go. Where are the hats? There they are. Now where are the where's the sock, William? Where's the sock?
I'll pull it up to.
There you go, sis. Did you get it that time?
Yeah.
Good job. Okay, open it back up. Where's the sock?
Right here.
Very good.
This spells bat.
That one spells bat?
Uh-huh.
Very good.
Go right there.
What other ones do you have?
Cab. This one.
What does that spell?
This one. Oh no.
That one spells
Oh no.
boy.
I had this one.
Sister has boy.
Right here.
Mm-hmm.
Where this one go?
What does yours spell, William?
Cow.
What does it spell? Sister's showing you. What does that spell?
Cow.
Cow. Very good. Now can you read the words while you take them off? This one spells lamps. That one spells cat. Brother spells dog. And sister spells boy. Sister has sock. And brother has stars. Sister has cow. And brother has balls. Brother has books and mitts. And what's on the front? Bats and hats. Do those ones rhyme?
No.
Yeah, they rhyme. Bat and hat. Alright, you gonna put them away in the bag?
Yeah. No, that's not. That's over here.
Good job.
It's sticky. It's hard to take it off.
Yeah, it's supposed to be stuck to it so we don't lose the pieces. What do you tell Grandma Happy?
Thank you.
Say, I love you.
I love you.
Sister, you're sweet.
You love these folders?
Do you guys love these folders?
Huh?
Did Grandma Happy do a good job?
Help me put them in! Please, help!
What do you say?
Please!
I would like,
Help.
please.
Please.
Much better.